Hello everybody, how are you doing? And welcome to our YouTube channel Salsa and Bachata Moves, where we break down salsa and bachata moves. My name is Alexandros, with me is Andrea. We're both from the Island of Cyprus, and we love salsa and we love bachata and Greek dances. Okay, this is the video where we're going to do the lesson, where we're going to break down the move. It's not very advanced like the past three that I did. I apologize for that, but it's been so long I really wanted to push my students out there to something that was challenging. Now we can drop the level a little bit, but still it's demanding. And if you like to share it with music, there is the link here. Please do not skip this part, because some of you are asking me in the comments, where's with the music? It's not in this video. There's another video only with music. The first link in the description as well. Alright? Now, before we get started, a small quick side note. I've created a beginner, complete zero beginner to improver level social dancer outing course for dancers. It does not exist in my YouTube videos. It exists only as a downloadable form, and that's the second link in the description. And if you like, you can be also an affiliate, and when you sell it through a link on the right, you can make also 12 euros, $13 from the sale, so we both benefit. Because I'm not very good with marketing, I'm better at teaching and dancing. I leave that up to you guys. So let's get started. Sorry for the background noise, guys. Remember, help us out on Patreon. There's only 4 people there. It's not enough to gather up expensive microphones and cameras, so we make this a better experience for you. Let's get started with the lesson. Alright, first with the basic. 1, 2, 3. The second time around, we're going to go 1, 2, bring in on 3, bring in on 5, then double turn and catch. Now in the double turn, what happens? When you bring the lady back, you let go and you catch the hand again. That will take some practice, but you'll get it. And 1, 2, 3, roll the lady back. Now your left hand goes over the lady's head and letting it go. 1, 2, 3, 2 progressional turns. Bring your elbow on 1, 2, you grab with your left hand. 3, you throw over your head and you catch with the other on 5, 6, 7, and you execute the crossbody into a half a turn like a Titanic. Now go in front of the lady. 1, 2, wear the hand on 3 and push her to open up to her right. Then 5, catch both hip bones so it's strong enough to lead and use your body weight. 5, 6, 7. Did I say body weight? I mean body weight. So you see, if I'm here and I have the lady close to me, if I just push her back, it's not really helpful. But if I move my body weight with her, it helps her. Okay? Let's do it from the beginning slow. And 1, 2, 3, double turn next to you. Where the hand on top, progressional turn. Elbow change, throwing, change, front and turn. Front and hand over. 5, stop and bring her back. Now this is a little bit tricky. You gotta not lead back straight, but lead that way the lady. 1, 2, so she does an enchufla. 5, 6, 7. It's a little bit hard for the lady to show it slow, but you stay on one foot if you can. If you cheat and you change, that's fine. Guys, you go hand over. 1, slide 3. 5, you stop her on the shoulder. 6 and 7, you bring her back just like we did before, crossbody lead with a half. But instead of going in front of her, 1, 2, bring her here and change hand. 5, here comes the double turn, you're changing again. Okay, now from here, it happens 1, 2, and you catch behind the back. I'm going to change direction so you can see what's happening behind here. 1, 2, 3, push the lady with the right. 5, 6, 7, and you should be right here. Hand over. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try to do it from this side now so we show what's coming next. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Crossbody lead with a half a turn, but with this hand. Then let the lady go forward. Fold the hand behind. Bring her in front of you and go into the elbow. Now forward the elbow on 5 and pull the elbow back on 6 and 7 for a turn. Please do not do this. Some people think it's this one. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. And all this around. It's actually corners that help the lady with your lead. Go forward, pull back, and a little bit circular. And that's our move, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed it. And let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Get it. Ready, 2, 3. Stretch, 6, 7. Over la cabeza, 2, 3, 5, 6. Relax. 1, 2, and fold. And 5, 6. Un abbraccio. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, and 7. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, and 7. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, and 7. And that's it, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed it. We have another one coming. Just to say we're sorry that we put so much advertising and bachata. We're going to throw the salsa back and give you a lot of them, so you have to work for the next 6 months. Alright? And I hope by then the coronavirus will allow us to go social dancing and start having interaction with our social friends and families, because basically they become our families through the years. Alright? Thank you for watching. Make sure you comment, you rate, and if you like, leave a donation. There is a link through PayPal, which is safe as well, to support us and the channel. See you on the next video.